Up, guys? Welcome to the Flying Chicken. My name is Kush, and today I'm going to be showing how to use the basics of GarageBand, which is a famous app in Mac Mini where you can make your own music. Um, I'm going to show you the basics, not the all the tech things. I'm going to just say the simplest way you can do this. Some things you need to know if you do something. And yeah, I'm not gonna do MIDI or Michael line guitar or bass. I'm gonna just do a drummer here, which is you don't need anything to do with it. Michael line you could do it, but the thing is that you have to use another app to just record your voice and put it in here. I'm gonna go with drummer here. So once you open the app, you see drummer here, Michael line, guitar, bass, or MIDI. So we can just go with a drummer rock and we can click on create. Here you find this SoCal. I'm going to just remove this for now, but we can add this. So as you can see, mine is electronic drum kit. Drum kit is doing something of its own stuff. But here I have the SoCal option. And if I add it, I find SoCal. And just watch this. Here you can change the tempo. So I want it like super slow. And trust me, this is very slow. So see how slow it's going? But if I can increase it like right now, and it goes faster. And yeah. So now I'm gonna add something, and I'm gonna show you how you can change it and what you need to know. I'm gonna go with metallic. Let's see. There's lots of things I can do. Good thing about this is lots of things you can do. I'm gonna go with neon, and then yeah, I got neon here, and I can click on add here, and let's listen to it. Okay, weird. Now I can do snarl, clap, whatever I want to do. I'm gonna show you EQ was later, but I'm gonna just do some fun stuff because it's nice to do fun stuff, I guess. Uh, and no, I want percussions to be a lot. Yeah. Okay, so now I can go on EQ, or I could go to master. Master is just like um the good old like nice things channel EQ compressor exciter and all the stuff. Now if I go to effects, it's the master echo. I could do repeat a little bit, color a little bit, volume's good, time is little. And now if I go to EQ, I can change this frequency. So I think this blue other colors. So I can click on this thing and I can go near, small, down, upper, lots so small. Now, just tell me the difference, okay? When I start the music, check the difference. See this changing. So yeah, you can see the difference here. While I'm changing all of this weird stuff, and yeah, so this is how you use the drummer and this other stuff that I'm gonna show you. You can also you can have a beat, and if I turn this at like let's just say beat 3, and I start from the big well, if I start from the beginning, and I can if I don't add this, this is what happens. But if I do add this, so that's a beat for you, and that beat keeps the tempo. So if I increase it, it's like someone shooting a gun, which I guess maybe it's good, maybe it's not good, meh. And I can add another, so I can just say, oh, I want to add one more drum. So I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna go with electronic drum kit. Let's go with beat machine. What is that? So while that is not playing, so I'm gonna just do some quick stuff, and I'm gonna show you what I do. So I'm gonna put this all the way there. I'm gonna put this somewhere what here, but I don't. So I can overlap it a little bit. but I want to do that at the end. So I'm gonna go with 11. No, 11 beat. So here I have all of this to sing, do something with this, and I could probably add something else here, which I don't need to add, but it's an option for me. I'm gonna put this down to let's say I'm gonna go with 150. 150. Awesome. So now if I can go back, but I want to change the frequency of this. Beat machine. Yeah. Rigid free mid and yeah. So I'm gonna begin for the music and yeah. So I'm changing it while the song is going. Not the best combo, but pretty good. So see the beat's still going on, and if I turn it off, I can have that. That's how you use the basics of this. I hope you like GarageBand. There's probably a bunch of professional people like this, but I'm just giving the basics of this, and I hope you enjoyed this, guys. And I can see you.